Hello, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to go over on how to remove both the headlight switch and the wiper switch off of 1969 Mustang. I already took them off the car, and I figured it'd be easier to show you how I did it outside of the car than inside of the car, because inside's a little clustered. So both the light switch and wiper switch are very easy to remove, and they take very simple tools. If you have O-ring or ring pliers like these or something like this, either one will work. Maybe some needle nose pliers will work. These are the ones I used. So light switch, you have to pull it out and then the knob comes off, and then see inside of here, see there's like a little cross in there. So what you want to do, if you can try to do it by hand and move this, but usually they're really tight on there. And if you want to protect this, like if you're going to reuse this and you don't want to, and it's brand new, you don't want to damage it, you can put a little bit of tape or something to protect it from scratching. But otherwise, you just turn it a little at a time. See how the center one turns? Yep, and you just do that over and over again until it gets loose. What you do, you can reach in the dashboard from the back and then push this forward, and then it gives you a little bit. And then you can just use your hand and undo it if you can. If not, you can just keep using the tool. I figured. See, it just screws on. So it could still be on pretty tight, but you just unscrew it. And once it comes undone, poop, pops off the back dashboard, and then the wire harness just clips on. You just pull it off. Super simple. Same thing with the windshield wiper. Pops right out. Use either or, and just put it right into the little notches, and you just turn it. Okay. You turn it until it loosens up, and then same as that one, you just unscrew it and it comes undone. So I'll show you really quick. So yeah, super simple. These two were pretty easy to come see, and this comes out the back. And then this, I think the switch is pretty much broken and done for, so I'm going to replace it. But you just get the wiring harness and just pull it off. And then this was from the back of the dashboard. And then, yeah, so those are pretty easy to come off. I think they're similar to like 66 and up. I'm not exactly sure what years. On my next video, I'm going to show how to take off the ignition switch, which was a little bit more of a pain in the butt, but stay tuned for that. I'll post that shortly. And then don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you again. Appreciate you guys following.